Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a growing snow test. Now this is have not been new to Instagram of course, and also YouTube, but I've never actually done instant snow in my channel, and I've never personally done it in real life either. So today I want to show you guys my experience in growing snow, and to be honest with you, growing snow is a very satisfying experience in real life as well as in video. I love watching videos where people are growing snow to make cloud slime, or just growing snow just to grow it for no reason at all, and it's always like an enjoyment for me to watch it. So that's why I decided to make this video, and hopefully you guys will like it too. I'm gonna start off by adding water first, and then a little bit of food coloring to all of the drops. Of course there are gonna be different colors. Now even though it looks like not the color in the thumbnail right now, but trust me, when you start pouring the snow, everything will come together, even though right now you are not seeing the colors that you're seeing in the thumbnail. And I thought the same thing, because at first I was like, okay, well, is this gonna turn into red and dark blue? But that's exactly the opposite, so don't even worry about it, just enjoy the video. And I also want to mention that I'm using different stirring stick for each color, so I'm not using the same stick for different colors because I did not want to mix the colors by accident. You guys know how food coloring is, it's very sensitive. Sometimes if you mix the colors, it will just turn into a totally different one, so I use a new stick every single time. This next part is totally optional. A lot of people add glitter, some people don't, some people just like to keep it regular, so I will put a little bit of glitter in some of them and leave the rest of them with nothing in it. So since snow is one of the key ingredients to making cloud slime, I decided to make one myself. Also my first time making cloud slime on this channel, but I actually made a whole bunch of cloud slime that same night. I will show you guys towards the end of this video, but for right now I'm just going to be making one color and folding the snow inside the slime. Everyone has a different method on how they make cloud slime, so there's a whole bunch of it. I'm not really, teaching you guys what method to use, but I'm just simply showing you that that's what I'm doing with my snow. And I did a bunch of colors. I will show you towards the end of this video. So right now I'm just giving you guys like a quick idea basically what I did with my snow. I also did a bunch of other stuff with the snow that I have, because I did grow a lot of snow and I don't want it to go to waste. So what I'm doing here is for the other snow that I'm not really using, because this is a lot of snow. I didn't even realize how much snow I made until I started packing them. These containers are pretty small by the way, but still, like, you don't need a lot of instant snow to make cloud slime, depending on the size though. And I just want to save them for like the next time I want to use it for maybe making more cloud slime, or just maybe like other projects or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop off the top of it and close the lid, and then I'll show you guys in a minute what I'm gonna be doing with the rest of the snow. As you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of snow in my little containers that I have left over, and they're not going to waste, don't worry. I will definitely be making it useful, and you guys will see in the coming videos on this channel. And I also have the rest of the snow that I chopped off from the top, so I decided to just put it in a bigger container and start scooping it in different colors. And it kind of reminds me of unicorn, like really, I feel like this looks amazing, so I'm definitely gonna be using this in future projects and stuff like that. So don't worry, it will not be going to waste, and it actually looks really cool like this, by the way. So I got a little carried away. I decided to play with some of the snow and make it into a little heart. And remember I told you that I was going to show you guys what I did with the rest of it. I made a bunch of little cloud slimes in the container. Let me know if you guys want me to mix all the slime in a future video. I'll definitely do it because I think it will come out really cool. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one, or talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!